I'm about to get ready for work. I have to be to work till 8 o'clock, but I had to pray today. So I had to be up at 4 so I could pray. We are packing to move. It's my room. Looks crazy. It is currently like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It's June 21st, and I just did my hair. We're about to go take Pop to the vet so that he can be taken care of. We also been packing, so the house looks terrible. Real bad. It looks real bad. But we're packing because we moved next week. And I have some clips from us, like, moving. But it's been a lot. Also, I sprained my ankle. So, yeah. But right now, I'm about to...